Good evening, students. So, today we will discuss from question number 6 onwards. What is question number 6? Find the number of different arrangements of letters in the word Maharashtra. How many of these arrangements have letters R and H never together, all vowels together? Given word is Maharashtra. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. टोटल लेटर्स कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. एंड येस कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4. नेक्स्ट एच. यस, एचएस कितने हैं? 2. एंड ये ऑलरेडी हो गया है. आर. आर कितने हैं? 2. And next, is there any other letter which is repeating? No. Right. Therefore, total number of permutations is equal to, total is 11 factorial and the repeated identical ones are 4 and 2 and 2. Done. Now, the question number A. R and H never together. ठीक है? Right. Now what I did? R and H remove करके बाकी सब लेटर्स मैंने लिखा है. That is M-A-H-A महाराष्ट्र R-A-S-H-T-R-A. तो H and R मैंने remove कर दिया है. Therefore, these letters can be arranged in how many ways? Right? This arrangement can be done in total 11 are there. 2 R's and 2 H. That is total 4. 11 minus 4, 7. So 7 factorial by how many identicals are there? 4 A's are there. So 4 factorial. Right? Now R and H never together is the case. Now these 7 letters create how many gaps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 gaps create कर रहा है these 7 letters, right? And these 7 gaps में हम 2 R's and 2 H fill कर सकते हैं, right? वो कैसे? Therefore, these 8 gaps can be filled with 2 R's and 2 H's. In how many ways? 8 gaps are there and आपके पास 4 letters are there. That is 8P4. But 2 R's and 2 H's are there. That is divided by 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Therefore, total number of arrangements where R and H never together is, first हमने 7 letters को arrange किया है. That can be done in 7 factorial by 4 factorial and 2 R's and 2 H's को हमने 8P4 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial ways में किया है. That is 7 factorial by 4 factorial and 8P4 means 8 factorial by 4 factorial. That is 8 minus 4 into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now, find the value, you will get the answer. And the second bit is all vowels together. All vowels together. So, in the given word Maharashtra, how many vowels are there? Yes. I mean, other than ये there is no other vowel. And number of years 4 है. इसका मतलब 4 vowels are there in the word Maharashtra. So वही लिखेंगे first. Therefore, total 4 vowels are there, and the condition is all vowels are together. तो क्या करेंगे हम? यस, 4 वोवेल्स को हमें एक यूनिट बनाएंगे. ठीक है, राइट. तो 4 टोटल 11 आर देयर. 11 minus 4 7 more 7 letters are there, right? This is one unit and the remaining is M. ये हो गया है H, ये हो गया है R, ये तो yes, H T R. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ठीक है, and this arrangement can be done in how many ways? Yes, so 4 A's together, 4 factorial and 4 factorial, and the remaining total how many letters are there? 8 are there, that is 8 factorial, and in this 2 R's and 2 H's are there. Therefore all together how many we can? 4 factorial cut, 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Find the value, that is your answer. Question number 7. How many different words are formed in the letters R is used thrice and letters S and T are used twice each? Means how many different words are formed if the letters R used thrice, S twice, T also twice. So what is the given condition? We can use R thrice, means 3 times. Yes, twice, means 2 times. And the next letter is T. T also twice, means 2 times. So total how many letters you can use? 3 plus 2 plus 2? Yeah, 7 letters. So total number of arrangements is equal to total 7 letters are there, right? And the identical words are 3 R's, 2 S and 2 T's. Enough. Find the answer, simplify it, you will get the answer. हो गया, simple question. The next question is, find the number of arrangement of letters in the word Mumbai so that the letter B is always next to A. The condition is the letter B is always next to A. So the given word is Mumbai, where M's 2 hai and the remaining are 1 1 1 1 only, and the condition is AB, means letter B is always next to A. This is the condition. So wherever you arrange, A के बाद B ही होना चाहिए. So what I am doing? I'll make this one as one unit, and this can be done in only one way. Why? Because A के बाद ही B होना चाहिए, right? The remaining letters are M, U, M, I. So all together 1 2 3 4 5 हुआ है, right? Therefore number of arrangements 5 factorial by AB can be done in only in one way, right? Therefore वो one unit, and A के बाद ही B होना चाहिए. Therefore here we cannot do anything. Therefore that can be done in one. Therefore total arrangements now we can do 5 factorial and 2 M's are identical. Therefore by 2 factorial. Therefore find the answer. Done. Right, now question number 9. Find the number of arrangements of letters in the word constitution that begin and end with N. First check how many N's are there. 2 N's are there. Therefore begin में एक N रखेंगे and end में एक N रखेंगे, तो वो 2 N's are fixed. right? Then what we will do? Given word is constitution, right? So total number, total letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Identical letters are repeated letters. एक बार देखेंगे. How many O's are there? 2. N's 2. S single. T's 1 2 3. I's 1 2. U only one time. Therefore these are the identical letters. That is 2 O's are there, 2 N's are there, 3 T's are there and 2 I's are there. Therefore now what is the condition? 12 places में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. स्टार्टिंग में n होना चाहिए और एंडिंग में भी n ही होना चाहिए. These two positions are fixed. The remaining letters are 12 minus 2, 10 letters, right? Therefore this can be done in how many ways? So this can be done in remaining 10 letters में 2 n's already हमने fix कर दिया है. Therefore now no n's. Therefore total 10 letters are there, can be done in 10 factorial, and 2 O's are there, 3 T's are there, 2 I's are there. Therefore this is the arrangement by using the word letters of the word constitution which begins and end with N. So this is your answer. Now the question number 10. Find the number of different ways of arranging letters in the word arrange. Funny. How many of these arrangements do not have the two R's nor A's together? Given word is arrange. ARRANGE. तो total letters कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. How many A's are there? 2. How many R's are there? 2. N is 1, G is 1 and E also 1. Therefore total number of permutations कितने हो गया है? Total by identical, right? Now what is the next question? How many of these arrangements have 2 R's and 2 A's not together? So the question is 2 R's and 2 A's not together means total minus together. Yes or no? Yes, right. Total already हमने find out किया है, that is 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now together find out करेंगे, right? So together, that is 2 A's and 2 R's. Now what I am doing? 2 A's एक साथ में लेती हूँ, 2 R's साथ में लेती हूँ. The remaining letters are N, G, E. Now I am considering this one as 1 unit and this one as 1 unit. 1 2 3 4 5. So total कितने हैं? 5. Therefore number of arrangements is equal to 5 factorial, right? You are considering 2 A's as 1 unit and 2 R's as 1 unit. So 5 फैक्टोरियल इंटू, मैं नीचे लिखती हूँ. Now 2's get together 1 unit, therefore R's 1 unit. So here 2 is considering as 1 unit and this can be 1 unit, total 5 units. And 2A's अपने आप में करते हैं and 2 R's भी अपने आप में करते हैं and identical words are 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Anyway, this is getting cancelled. That is equal to 5 factorial. Therefore 2A's and 2 R's not together is equal to total minus together. टोटल कितने हैं? 7 फैक्टोरियल बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल माइनस 5 फैक्टोरियल. 7 factorial, find the value. 7 factorial means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 into 2 minus 5 factorial is 120. 1 2 factorial गया है, 2 1s 2 2s गया है. Therefore 7 into 6 into 5 into 2 into 3 6 minus 120. So find the product and minus with 120 you'll get the answer. समझ में आया? Yes.